Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dah, terima kasih ya kai shalom shwa. Nyawan sini seklau, ni shed dok mesti bat para jonga. Sepek lah ke channel jonga, ya pek kai kumno ya shed ya bam sini shalom. So today we're gonna cook some beef. I don't know how you prepare beef, but this is how we prepare it. I hope you enjoy watching this video. We got so much onion for the beef today. This is for the beef eating community. This is garlic. This is how these guys are grinding it without any grinder or knife. These are the guys who I'm cooking with today. It's a nice sunny day today in Meghalaya. This is the jungle of George. George of the jungle, or jungle of the George. Same thing over and over again. We are cooking beef. We will eat beef. So this is the beef finally. I don't know, these guys are putting so many ingredients in this thing. Oh, I'll tell you one thing, I'm the eater, not the cook, okay? I don't like cooking. I don't even know how to cook. I just enjoy eating. Oh, so clear. Yeah.
Nice, very nice color. Nice.
This is what the beef look like.
Yeah. See this one.
Yeah. This must be very tasty. Very tasty.
You can have it with rice or chapati as you like.
Or you can even bring it with liquor. Yeah, definitely. It will be very good with liquor. We don't have liquor today, yeah, sorry. We will eat with rice. See these guys. These guys are enjoying it, man. It must be very good, huh? So this is my plate. Oh, I'm full already. That is my plate. I'm gonna eat only half of it. Half of it we will think what we will do.
The meat is very delicious and tasty.
Yeah. Just look at this guy. See?
Tasty.
Looks so tasty, nah? This is beef curry in Meghalaya, Shillong. This is our Khasi style. This is Northeast India. We look Chinese or what? Yeah, this is beef. This is another guy. This guy is always hungry. Look at him, the hungry face. Always want to eat something. See, he's eating grass. See the way he chewed that grass. So I'm so full. Stomach full. The worms are happy right now.
We are happy and the worms are happy.
They're having beef. Thanks to me. I am the benefactor of those worms. Hey, remember to subscribe my channel.
And
just
do
watch.
like, subscribe, like and
Share,
share,
yeah,
comment.
keep sharing. Don't just watch, yeah. Subscribe. Press the subscribe button. So we are done for the day. We are going home.
Going back home.
Today is a nice day. This was the fire and what's left of it. We are so full. We are so tired. Our day is done. We are going back home. Thank you for the beautiful day. Oh la 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 la. See this flower. कितना खूबसूरत है ये, देखा ना, बहुत बहुत अच्छा है, कितना खूबसूरत है, देखा। अच्छा है ना, ये अलग कलर और ये भी अलग कलर. This is the beauty of nature. See? Imagine if the nature has only one type of grass or one type of flower, it will be boring. Like if you give a flower to someone else, you already know what kind of flower.